Hello children, today we are going to start quadratic equation. So before starting the chapter, what does this quadratic means and equation means? We go back to the chapter polynomials, which you know very well that what are the polynomials? It is the form of ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are real numbers. Real numbers means it can be rational, it can be irrational. Integers means all types of numbers we can take. This natural number, whole number. If you remember the house of number system which we have done, so real number includes all numbers. If we take the house of real numbers, here it is real number, then we have rational, here we have irrational numbers, inside it is integers, then we have whole numbers, and then natural numbers. Means all types of numbers are there in A, B and C form. And what is the here variable? Variable is x. So degree of variable is 2. What is degree? Highest power of the variable is called degree. So that is quadratic polynomial, where we have to see that the power of variable is non-negative integer. So A, B, C are real numbers and power of variables are non-negative integers. So now we come to this polynomial. When we have done, we have divided into two parts, that is according to number of terms and according to degree. Where we remember that if we have one term, it is called monomial, two terms binomial. Like if I say 2x plus 3y is trinomial, and then number. According to degree, when we say, then it is, if 1 degree then linear, 2 degree that means it is quadratic. Quadratic has come from quadrate, that means square. So quadratic means that. What does you mean that equation? We have done linear equation. So equation means what? This equate means we have equal sign. So when any polynomial, quadratic polynomial, we equate to 0, then it is called quadratic equation. Is it okay? So, but the condition is there that ABC are real numbers, but A is not equal to 0. Why A is not equal to 0? We say if A is equal to 0, suppose what will happen if A is equal to 0? It will be 0 into x square plus bx plus c is 0. That means it is bx plus c is 0 and it becomes a linear equation. So in that's why we say a is not equal to 0. So this is called standard form of quadratic equation, where it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Suppose I write 2x square plus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. This is called quadratic equation. We have degree 2 and we have equal sign also, and this is power is positive. A, B, C are real numbers. So suppose you have to find out whether this is quadratic equation or not. If we have to find out, what we will do, it is not simply we say that degree is 2 and so an equal sign is there, so it is quadratic. We will simplify it. we simplify and then check whether it is uh, degree 2 we are getting or not, or it is in the standard form or not. So we simplify it, because sometimes it happens that in LHS and RHS you will see the degree 2 is cancelled. So in that case we reduce to linear form. So if we simplify it, it is x square plus 2x plus 1 is 2x minus 6. That will be x square, 2x and 2x will be cancelled, and we have x square 1 7 equals to 0. So here it is in the standard form. If I compare here with the standard form of equation, you see here a is 1, b is not there, so b is 0, c is 7. So this is quadratic equation. So this way you simplify and check whether it is quadratic or not.